Welcome back to the Facebook Marketing Software YouTube channel. Today, I'm introducing a software for bulk posting Reels automatically on Instagram. First, MKT Insta is a software designed to help you manage a large number of Instagram accounts and automate human-like actions. To post video Reels, follow these steps. Go to Viral Marketing - select Post Video Reels. Choose the videos you want to post from a folder on your computer. Add video descriptions manually or use AI, artificial intelligence, to generate them automatically in bulk. Optionally, you can add tags or location information. You can also set parameters such as the number of videos to post on Reels and the time interval between each action. Once everything is configured, select the accounts to distribute the posts and click the Start button. If you're interested, feel free to message me on Telegram or WhatsApp.